right, so today, just in keeping with our theme of you sharing with us what it is that you eat, we're going to move on to dinner and see what it is that at the end of your day you like to eat.
Okay, well, I love eating dinner, and I'll share with you my pleasure-filled meals. But a lot of folks don't like big dinners. They have their main meal in midday, and they've got a huge lunch. They'll do like from 1 to 2:30, a good hour and a half lunch, and they pack in their soups and salads and veggies, etc. And just a few hours later, come 5, 6 in the evening, they're not that hungry. And it's okay to keep dinner very light and just have a bowl of soup, just have a salad, maybe a little fruit, and that's perfectly fine. Your body will not rebel and say, hey, where's those 3 baked potatoes? So listen to your body. It's always going to be the bottom line. Listen to your body. If you're hungry, let's cook up something really great. If you're not really hungry, it's okay. Keep it light, and you'll feel better in the morning if you're doing that. So just a context note there that you don't have to have a big 3-course meal just because it's the end of the day. But if you are hungry, if you've really been working all day, especially if you're doing physical labor and you are growly hungry, where do you start? Well, 4 S's, as mentioned in lunch there, soup, salad, steamed veggies, and healthy starches. Those are the 4 S's for dinner. So soups, man, you want that big hearty, that hearty vegetable soup, and it can be any international cuisine that you like: a Mexican chili, Italian minestrone, Indian curry, the Mexican pozole, whatever you'd like. But that's a great place to get some veggies in. So I like to start with a bowl of soup. And then I follow it with a big, colorful salad. And we always have a big salad going in the fridge, lots of romaine lettuce. I'm a big butter lettuce fan. I love butter lettuce. And we've got a nice salad master machine, so we'll throw some carrots in there and green peppers, etc. We make a really colorful salad. And I urge you to if you're watching your oil these days, if you Google vegan non-oil salad dressings or no oil salad dressing, you'll get some great recipes. Some people just spray some balsamic vinegar onto their salad. That's perfectly legitimate. Makes Dr. Esselstyn happy. It increases nitric oxide concentration. But there are some folks who would say, we need some fats to absorb, especially the fat-soluble vitamins in our diet, vitamin A, beta carotene, etc. And so if you're going to be eating fats, dinner time salad is a great time to make up a dressing with some tahini, which is sesame seed butter, or throw some walnuts into your Vitamix and make a nice walnut-based salad dressing and pour that on. That's an appropriate place to use some fats. You got to get some fats into your diet anyway. Make up a nice healthy salad dressing with some healthy fats in it, not a whole bunch, not pour on olive oil, but get it out of the whole plant foods, and you'll be ahead of the game if you do that. So we got soups and salads, steamed veggies, man, green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow. And this is a place to get in something dark and green every day, whether it's broccoli, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, beet greens, chard, asparagus. Eat something dark and green every day, and have something yellow every day: carrots, squash, sweet potatoes, yams. Green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow should be on your plate every dinner time, and preferably every lunch as well. So you've got soup, salad, steamed veggies, and then you need some healthy starches. You need those calories. Now, where do you get it? Sweet potatoes, white potatoes, and there's wonderfully healthy starches in legumes, beans, peas, chickpeas, lentils. So find a way, and they're so rich in protein. People say, well, I'm rich in protein. Get it out of the legumes, the beans, peas, chickpeas, and lentils. So find a way. Make up a lentil dal or a lentil stew. Make up a hummus mix for yourself and put it on bread or crackers. bean chili, bean soups, bean stews, bean minestrone soups. There are lots of ways, pasta fasul, a lot of ways to get legumes into your diet. So I put the legumes along with the healthy starches there. You've got a sweet potato or a baked potato and a cup of lentil stew on your plate there, man, you are going to be well set for healthy calories and healthy protein. So that's the basic formulation of those 4 S's. Have a fresh salad, have some soup, have some steamed veggies, have some healthy starches and legumes. And then have fun, as I said, with the international flavorings. You want to make an Indian dinner, East Indian dinner, Mexican dinner, Italian pasta. You go crazy with it. But as long as those basic 4 S ingredients are there, you're going to wind up well nourished and well satisfied. I guarantee it. And make enough as you're making that dinner. Make enough with tomorrow's lunch in mind, and make enough big portions, and you have enough to put in the fridge to heat up for tomorrow's lunch, and maybe a little bit for tomorrow's dinner as well there. So be a good chess player as you're making your dinners, to leave yourself, or the billiard players, leave yourself in a good position for the next shot, leave yourself in a good position for the next meal. And cooking won't be such a chore. It'll be really fun. That's the idea.
Hi, everyone. Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.